Start.
Hello student, today we start with the packing of particles in crystal lattice. Packing of particles means how many space is occupied by that particle. Particle means atom, ion or molecule in a crystal. What is the packing of particles? Neighboring sphere. Sphere means again atom, ion or molecule. Neighboring sphere that touches any given sphere is its coordination number. Coordination number is also called as a atom, ion or molecule surrounded by the equidistant atom, ion or molecule. There are different arrangement of molecules. In order to understand, they are classified into the different classes. First we see close packed structure. The close packed structure is classified into close packing in one dimension, close packing in two dimension, square close packing, hexagonal close packing, etc. So, one by one we try to understand the arrangement. There are no questions asked generally in the examination related to this topic. This is only the understanding point of view through which we can understand the numericals problems. So, try to understand close packing in one dimension. A close packed one dimensional structure resulted by arranging the sphere to touch each other in a row. What is the meaning of this? This structure is like this. This is close packing in one dimension. There is only one dimension. Okay. Close packing in two dimension like this. Arrangement having the two dimension. Here square is formed. Third is the close packing in three dimension. Here in C figure, close packing in three dimension is observed. Here hexagon is formed. The three particles above this hexagon and three particles below that hexagon. That is the three dimensional arrangement. This is the two dimensional arrangement and this is the one dimensional arrangement. We learn through this arrangement. So close packing in two dimension is classified into two categories: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Means this is square close packing and this is the hexagonal close packing. In this type of arrangement, two different atoms or ions are considered. Therefore, it is called AB type. Here, square close packing having identical atom, ion or molecule. Therefore, it is called AAA type. Means only one type of atoms. In close packing three dimension, here two different atom ions are present. There are voids or open space in this arrangement. How the voids or open space are considered? By the two terms, tetrahedron and octahedron. This is the arrangement of atoms. Observe this arrangement. In this arrangement, three atoms are present in one layer and one atom above that layer. All these four are equidistant and there is a gap between these two. This is called as tetrahedral void. A tetrahedron is formed in this void. Therefore, it is called tetrahedral void. In octahedral void, how the arrangement of atoms is present? Three atoms are present in one layer and in another layer, these three atoms above them. And there is the open space. That open space is called as octahedral void. Now, what is the coordination number in close packed structure? What is coordination number? Coordination number is the number of atom which is surrounded by equidistant atom, ions or molecules. This is called the coordination number. And every packing efficiency having its own coordination number. For example, in simple cubic structure, the atom, ion, molecules are present only at the 8 corners of the cube. Means when a sphere is considered, sphere means again atom, ion, molecule, it is surrounded by 6 neighboring equidistant sphere. So 4 in its own layer, 1 above and 1 below. Hence coordination number of any sphere in simple cubic is 6. You have to remember only this point. In simple cubic cell, coordination number is 6. Means atom, ion or molecule is surrounded by 6 equidistant atom, ion or molecule. In hexagonal close packed structure, which is also called in short HCP, or in CCP, cubic close packed structure means body centered and face centered. It is called the structure that results from the arrangement which having the 8 particles at 8 corner and in the center of the each of the faces, that is called as FCC. What is the coordination number? Coordination number is 12. Means when any atom, ion or molecule is considered, it is surrounded by 12 equidistant atom, ion or molecule. The number of voids per atom in hexagonal close packed and in cubic close packed. What is the void? There are 2 voids. The tetrahedral and octahedral voids occur in SCP and FCC structure. There are 2 tetrahedral voids in each of the atom in both hexagonal close pack and face center close pack, 2 tetrahedral voids and 1 octahedral void per atom. Now the packing efficiency. Like coordination number, the magnitude of packing efficiency gives a measure of how tightly particles are packed together. This part is also you have to learn only for the understanding the problems. How packing efficiency is calculated? Volume occupied by particle in unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. Let us see the packing efficiency in all the 3 types of crystals. First, simple cubic cell. In simple cubic cell, you know very well, which you have learned in the previous period, the total number of atoms in simple cubic cell is 1. How it is 1? Because 8 corners having 1 atom and every atom is shared by another 8 cube. Means 1/8 part is there and 8 corners are there, therefore total contribution is 1. This part you have learned in the previous period. How the calculation is done? A is the edge length, then R equal to A divided by 2. Means A equal to twice R. Here R and R. The arrangement is like this. Volume of unit cell is A cube. The volume is A cube. Volume of one atom 4 by 3 pi R cube. This sphere's total volume is calculated by this part which you have learned up to 10th standard. Now how packing fraction is calculated? The packing efficiency or packing fraction equal to volume occupied by one atom, because contribution is one atom in simple cubic cell, divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100, and total volume is this. Therefore fill up the values. 4 by 3 pi R cube, 8 R cube into 100. Cancel all the common terms, therefore pi by 6 into 100. After calculation this comes out to 0.524, means 52.4% is the packing efficiency. So packing efficiency equal to 52.4%. Then what is the percent of void space? Void space means open space. The 100 minus total packed area means 52.4 is equal to open space, or the void is 47.6%. In body centered cubic cell, the total, in the same manner we are calculating the calculations. Total number of atoms in body centered equal to 2. 8 corners means 1 and in the center means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Again same, A equal to, as here the arrangement is different, now A is changed because in the center of the body there is a sphere atom. Therefore A comes out to be 4R divided by square root of 3 and A cube equal to 4R divided by square root of 3 cube. Therefore calculations comes out to be like this. Packing efficiency, again same formula, and after filling all the values the packing efficiency comes out to be 68%. Why the 68%? Because one atom in addition present in the center of the body. Therefore as compared to simple cubic cell, here packing efficiency is high. And how void space or open space is calculated? 100 minus 68. It comes out to be 32%. In the same manner, in face-centered cubic cell, also the packing efficiency calculated by this calculation. Same formula you have to use and same calculation, and after that the value comes to be 74%, and open space equal to 100 minus 74 equal to 26%. Thank you.